So these are 20 crosshair effect in UE5 Niagara, and I created this in Niagara effect. So these are also moving, and I have a basic parameter outside as a user parameter, but you can edit these all. I'll show you how. Like you have this selected viewport, like this three. The basic thing, you can change the color or you can make it really bright. Okay, then you can reset. Then you can see this is pulsating. So I have two settings for pulsating. First is how fast it should pulsate. Then this is the how, this is the frequency, like how big it should go. So like if I make this one like 0.2, you can see it's moving fast. And this is the scale. So if I make it like 1, you can see it's making very big. But if I make it 0.01, see, it's moving fast, but not scaling much. These are two settings I have. Then this is the overall size. Okay, this is overall size. Can reset it. If you want to even edit this thing, you can just edit it. Control E to open this. And I have these emitters here with the proper name, dot, ring, and lines. So in this case, we have lines, dots, and this ring. So you can see this is the dot, this is the ring, and this is the lines. And if you want to change the lines height or width, these are the sprite size x and y. You can see the x is 7, y is 1. That means x is the height, y is the width. You can increase or decrease the width or height. Okay, so you can do that. And same thing, if you want to change these rings width, you cannot do that here. This is the size of overall effect. Like this is 50, you can increase or decrease. But if you want to change the width, come to the dynamic parameter where I have the ring radius, ring thickness. I'll copy this, just a backup, and then I can change it. See, like you want this much. And this is the arc. You can increase or decrease. Okay. So I'll just reset my setting by doing undo. So these are the settings common in all. So like if I open like this square, control E to edit. And same thing here, instead of ring, we have these shapes, these bracket shapes, this one. And in the dynamic parameter, you can like increase the thickness or decrease the thickness. And then this wipe is how much you are cutting these squares. So you really can add it and modify according to you. And then I have this offset that you can also change. Whole thing. So these are the common settings for all the square shapes here and for all the ring shapes I have. Okay, so you can just modify it. And if still you have any issue, you can just ask me anytime with this project. So that's it.